Hello students, welcome to Crack Grade B online learning platform. Today we are going to discuss 25 most important MCQs of economics and social issue, and ARD also you can consider in this video because we have taken the 25 MCQs from the NABARD annual report. So these are the important MCQs we have taken from the NABARD annual report. Am I audible? Am I audible? I'm waiting for 2-3 minutes, then we will start. We're waiting for 2-3 minutes. So let's start the session. The first question for today's session is, as per the NABARD annual report 21-22, India has registered how much percentage growth in GDP in financial year 22, which surpassed the pre-pandemic level? India's growth in GDP as per NABARD report. So please comment your answers in the comment section. Cheat 8%. What is 8%? There are 5 options: 7.8, 8.8, 8.7, 8.9, and 9.7%. What is the right answer? So 8.7% is the right answer. So 8.7 is the right answer. Explanation you can read from this PPT that we will share in our Telegram channel. Yesterday's PPT we will share today. Next question: what will be the gross fixed capital formation to GDP ratio in financial year 22? Question is not properly written. Gross fixed capital formation to GDP ratio in financial year 22, 2022. What is the gross fixed capital formation to GDP ratio in financial year 22? 32.5%, 33%, 34, 35, 37.9%. 34.51%. No, 32.5% is the right answer. This gross capital formation in 21 to 22, in financial year 22 we have considered 21 to 22. G, 34.1% is not right answer. Next question: what is the contribution of the service sector in the economy, which contracted in financial year 2021, is likely to grow at 8.2% in financial year 22? What is the contribution of service sector in financial year 2021? Anyone who can answer this question? Options are given very close. 53.8%. So 53.8%. 1 minute. So this is 53.8% of the economy. Service sector account for the 53.8% of the economy. Try to answer in the comment section. No one is except Jeet. No one is trying to answer. Which of the following sectoral activities has experienced the highest growth in the credit deployed by the scheduled commercial bank in financial year 2022? Which of the following sectoral activities has experienced the highest growth in credit deployed by the scheduled commercial bank in financial year 22? Sonika, you should study this report because it is very important for the NABARD exam. Question can be asked. So, anyone who can answer this question? 3. Agriculture and allied activities. Let's see the answer. Yes, agriculture and allied activities has experienced the highest growth in credit deployed by the scheduled commercial bank, followed by the service and industry. Next question. India's merchandise exports have registered a growth of 44.6% and touched a record of how much in 2022, financial year 22? Yesterday also we have discussed this question. Jeet 421. Yes, 421 is the right answer. Next question. India entered into a CEPA, Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement. Even this full form can be asked many times. They have asked full form also, so you must know the CEPA. Every such type of full forms are also important. If anywhere in the news you will find any full form type statement or this uh, terminology, that can be asked, and previously many times IBPS have asked. So they will ask like in CEPA, E stands for. So they will not ask the complete full form. They will ask in CEPA, E stands for. USA, South Africa, United Arab Emirates, France, Germany, UAE. UAE is the right answer. UAE is the right answer. Next question. What is the projected retail inflation by RBI for financial year 23? What is the projected retail inflation? Can anyone tell? 6.7%. Yes, 6.7% is the right answer. Next question. India aspires to become a 5 trillion economy of the following financial year. India aspires to become a 5 trillion economy by which year? 522, not so 26, financial year 26, and 10 trillion economy by 2030. 10 trillion economy by 2030. Next question. We have taken these questions from the NABARD annual report only. As per NABARD annual report, the regular refinance eligibility criteria for RRBs have been stated that they should have minimum capital to risk weighted asset ratio, CRAR ratio. What should be the CRAR ratio? 1.3%, 2.9%, 3.5%, 4.7%, 5.6%. Sorry, not 1.3%, 3%, 9%, 5%, 7%, and 6%. 3%, 9%, 5%, 7%, 6%. JEET 9%. Yes. RRB should have minimum capital to risk weighted ratio of 9%, net non-performing asset of not more than 15%, and should have earned net profit. This is the refinance eligibility criteria for RRBs as per now. Now audible? Now audible? Yes. So answer for this question, the Salim Raja. Shalim Raja, this video is based on the MCQs of the NABARD annual report only. We have taken all these questions from the NABARD annual report. So 14 is the right answer for this. Earlier it was launched for 13, then one more sector was added, and total 14 sector outlay of 2 lakh crore starting from the financial year 22 for a period of 5 years. So next question, it refers to a 25 years blueprint for the vision of India at the 100, complementing the growth focus at the macro level with an all inclusive welfare focus at the micro level. What does it stands for? Amrit Gyan, Amrit Sarovar, Amrit Kal, Amrit Mahotsav, none of these. It is an easy question. Yes. Amrit Sarovar, Shavin. It is Amrit Kal. It is Amrit Kal. Next question, the government proposed to significantly step up public investment by raising capital expenditure by what percent to rupees 7.5 lakh crore of 2 or 2.9% of GDP in the financial year 22-23. Government has increased the capital expenditure this year. What percent they have increased as compared to the last year in this year, financial year 22-23? So all these are the important facts, like 2.9% of the GDP. This is capital expenditure. Government has budgeted. So 35.4 from Jeet. Yes, it is the right answer. Next question, agriculture sector has reported compounded annual growth rate of how much percent between financial year 2018 to 22? Sonika 4.9. Any other? So 3.7% is the right. Agriculture sector performance means compounded annual growth rate between 18 to 22. This is 3.7%. Next question. What was the gross value added growth at constant prices of agriculture and allied sector in financial year 22? We have given option very close, but in exam you will not find so close option. Possibility is there, you can find, but most probably you will find some different options. So this is 3%. It was 3% in financial year 21-22, while it was 3.3% in 2021. 3.3% was in 2021. In 22 it was 3%. So be careful while attempting the question. Next question, the Indian fisheries sector also grew at a strong compounded annual growth rate CAGR of how much percent in financial year in between financial year 2015 2021? Vijay Kumar Yadav 10.2%. Any other student? This is 9.3%. Jit, we have not referred here economic survey. We have referred NABARD annual report that was released later on after the release of the economic survey was released in Feb, but this is released in I think in this month only, July or August. This NABARD annual report. This is the latest figure. So if they will ask, they will refer the economic survey. If they will ask relevant to the economic survey. Next question, what will be the institutional credit target in financial year 2023? What is the institutional credit target as per the Union Budget 22-23? This question is very important. Institutional credit target for agriculture sector. We have missed agriculture sector. This is 18.5 lakh crore for agriculture sector. Agriculture sector is missing. Agriculture sector will be there in the question. Institutional agriculture credit target. Next question. India has crossed the milestone of 50 billion agri export in a wide range of products in financial year 22. Now it is targeting 100 billion by which year? India has crossed the milestone of 50 billion US dollar agri export across a wide range of products. Now it is targeting a 100 billion by which year? By 2017. It is 2028, not 27. It is 2028. 2028. Next question. As per NABARD annual report, collateral free lending limit increased from 10 lakh to for women SHG self-help groups. Collateral free limit increased from 10 lakh to 40 lakh, 20 lakh. Where are other students? 20 lakh is the right answer. 20 lakh is the right answer. Next question. How many indicators are there in the Farmers Welfare Index that has been referred in the NABARD annual report? So, what this Farmer Welfare Index on based on how many dimensions and how many indicators? So, I have asked about the indicators. So, how many indicators are there in the Farmer Welfare Index? Yes, 35. 35 is the right answer. These are six dimensions, so you must know these six also: production, post production, infrastructure, social development, ecological aspects, and policy and fiscal environment across states. These are the six dimensions across which 35 indicators are used in Farmer Welfare Index. So they can ask this question. Yes. Which state is the lead contributor of total kiwi production in India? Which state is the lead contributor of total kiwi production in India? Arunachal Pradesh is the right answer for this. Arunachal Pradesh in the lead contribution is the lead in the lead contributes 57% of total kiwi production in India, followed by Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Sikkim, Meghalaya, and hilly parts of Kerala. So these state you must read, because sometimes they can ask 4 or 5 state also they can give in the option. So next question: NABARD has been pursuing the path of sustainable rural prosperity through the triple bottom line approach. Which of the following is not the part of this approach? NABARD is following a triple bottom line approach. Which of the following is not a part of this approach? Profit. Yes, profit is the right answer. Prosperity, we have marked it wrong. Profit is the right answer. Sorry. Prosperity is the right answer. People, planet, and profit. This is the bottom line approach of the NABARD. Profit is not right answer. Prosperity for NABARD. It is people, planet, and profit. I will cross check also. I think this is the right answer. Prosperity. People, planet, profit. People, planet, and profit is the bottom line of the NABARD. So 23, under the Animal Husbandry Infrastructure Development Fund, what is the interest subvention provided to all eligible entities? Interest subvention. How much is how much percent interest subvention is provided? Anyone? 3%. Yes, generally 3% interest subvention is provided. So 3% is the right answer for this question. Next question: what is the targeted fish production to be achieved under Fisheries and Aquaculture Infrastructure Development Fund by 2023? What is the targeted fish production to be achieved? 20 million, 25 million. So let's see the answer. 20 million is the right answer to achieve a 8% to 9% of sustainable growth to reach 20 million by 2023. Last question of the day: how much does the social sector constitutes in the loan sanctions under RIDF tranche 17? Sorry, 27. 27. Tranche of RIDF, Rural Infrastructure Development Fund, social sector contribute means what percent is allocated to 55. Let's see the answer. 32.7% is the right answer for this. Social sector constitutes 32.7% of total loan sanction under RIDF. So these are the 25 questions we have covered. Tomorrow, again we will come up with, we will try to increase the number of questions next video, and we will cover the most important MCQs. Tomorrow we will be covering RBI circular, reports, and PIB, combination of the all, and some question from the Kurukshetra Yojana magazines. So we will be covering tomorrow, and we will try to increase the number of questions tomorrow. And all those who want to attempt the mock test, we are providing the most economical mock test. Only 300 rupees we are charging, and 7 mock full length mock test of GA, ESI, RDB will provide. No, Sonika, these are not enough. For our paid subscriber, approx 50 question we will provide. That will be enough. We will add in the course today MCQs on NABARD annual report. That will be 50 question. That in paid courses. So all those who want to attempt the mock test, you can subscribe from our website, and after that you can attempt it in the app, or you can purchase it only from the website, not from the app. You can purchase it from our website. First register at website, then you can purchase it, and then you can attempt in the application also. So tomorrow at the same time we will be live. So keep preparing for this exam, and thank you, and happy learning. Good night.